Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Skrill to your bank account. First of all, log into your Skrill account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the withdraw section in your dashboard. Select the bank account option. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you will need to add your bank details here. Enter the amount you want to withdraw from your Skrill account to your bank account. Double check the details to make sure everything is correct. Then click confirm to complete your withdrawal. Your withdrawal will typically take 1 to 3 business days depending on your bank. You will get a confirmation email once the transfer is complete. Keep in mind that Skrill may charge a fee for bank withdrawals and processing times can vary based on your location. And that's it with Skrill. Withdrawing money to your bank account is fast and simple. Thanks for watching.